Today I'm going to show you how to keep one color in a black and white image in Canva. So first head to Canva, create a design, select a custom size of your choice, go to elements, select an image that you want to use, set it as background, edit photo, adjust the photo, scroll all the way down to see the colors in the photo, select this color and change the saturation all the way down. Go to background, saturation all the way down, and there you go. And there you have it. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and comment. Thank you very much.